once you live on purpose, when you start living in your purpose. A lot of people don't live on purpose. People pray for pain to subside, but pain don't subside if you keep entertaining it. You know, you're gonna go through some storms. There's gonna be trials and error. God chose you, so you're gonna have to fight more. You're gonna have to do more. You're gonna have to overcome more, but you're gonna receive more. You're gonna receive more. You who your bloodline been waiting for, and God chose you because He know He can trust you. He know you'll keep faith when things go bad. He know that you won't retaliate when people do evil against you. You know that you won't be conformed to this world, but you be transformed by the renewing of your mind because you chosen. Man, I wake up to that, man. I listen, and this is the most humble way. You know, a lot of people might say it's arrogant. You're only arrogant when you affect their insecurity. What make me different is I'm not worried about not having a seat at a person's table. I'm creating my own table. See, when you know who you are, you walk with authority. Never put yourself in a position where people can take from you. Be the one that's in position. Now people asking you for a position. Listen to me. Be the one that's in position. Now people asking you for a position. It was all fun and game when they thought you needed them. Now it's not funny anymore. They count you out. And whoever counts you out can't count. Because you're about to apply more pressure humbly. Yeah, that's real. Sometimes you just gotta disappear. Disappear with no explanation. Sometimes to get your mind right, you gotta get a sight. You gotta focus on what matters, which is you. Nobody can love you the way you love you. So this isolation is personal. And what's understood don't have to be explained. Coming from the big speaker, big dog.
I see you. Because you've been working on yourself and perfecting your craft. And that's why they don't want to stand toe-to-toe with you. That's why they don't want to stand toe-to-toe with you. Talk that toe, George. Because you really lived this big dog life. You really lived this big dog life. And your hustle remind them of everything they wish they could be. Talk heavy, George. Your hustle remind them of everything they wish they could be. So if they want it, if they want it, then tell them come take it. Tell them come take it. Because nothing come easy. You're a big dog. Turn them up, George. Woo!